Welcome to With Love, a podcast that celebrates people, purpose, selfless intent, and quiet acts of kindness. This year, as With Love NGO completes 10 years of Seva, we wanted to pause and say thank you, not with applause, but with stories. Today's conversation is with someone who holds space every single day, shaping minds, nurturing confidence, and quietly changing futures through education. Joining us today is Miss Fatima Hassan Afrikawala, a dedicated educator from Epiphany School who works closely with students, guiding them beyond textbooks and into the world of values, service, and lived learning. Welcome to the podcast, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you share your role at Epiphany School and the work that you're doing with the children over there?
Okay. Myself, Fatima, and I teach the lower grade.
Okay.
And I love teaching because it's my profession, and I would love to teach the students. This is the time where they learn from preschooler to the higher
Hi.
grade,
So, which class do you handle?
UKG section. upper
UKG. So
KG.
that is the time when you're laying down the seeds.
Yes,
and
it's
the
a
strong
base.
roots. It's a base, and you're
Yes,
enjoying. I mean,
yes.
I used to be a preschool
Even
teacher,
I love
and
them.
it's so much fun.
Yes.
Great. अभी थोड़ा भी we'll talk about challenges.
Yes.
आपके जो बच्चे से आप रोज बात करते हैं,
yes.
what kind of challenges are you facing? Are the children facing that you are seeing? रोज आपको देखने को मिल रहा
Yes,
है.
actually, in my class, certain kids are very naughty.
हाँ,
Certain are very good.
हाँ,
Like there is a imbalance between them.
right.
So I deal with the children which are most naughty children.
Okay. Naughty children
Yes,
change
yes,
the world.
yes. So I deal very politely with them.
Yeah.
I bring them to me. I give them certain activities to do. Actually, basically I make them sit next to me,
Yeah.
and I explain them. Do not talk with them. Means do not shout.
Yeah.
Do not be so naughty. If you have
Yeah.
any problem, come and speak to me.
Yeah.
Like even in my class, some have family issues.
Yeah, I was going to ask you
Like
that कि जो
family
family issues
issues,
है,
हाँ.
वो आपके साथ आके share करते हैं.
Yes, they come and share.
Yeah.
Everything they come and share.
Wow. So you are not only an educator. आप सिर्फ
Yes.
टीचर का रोल और सिखाने का रोल नहीं
No,
कर रहे.
no.
आप उनकी फैमिली है. आप
Yes,
एक जैसे
family.
काउंसलर है या एक सेफ स्पेस है जहाँ पर वो आके अपना पेन भी बता सकते
Yes,
हैं.
they share with
Yeah,
me.
they share with you.
Yes.
That's beautiful actually.
Yes.
And क्लासरूम में इट्स थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट ना, क्योंकि
Yes.
ऐसे बच्चों को सिखाना भी एकदम इजी नहीं हो सकता है. तो क्लासरूम में जब आप कुछ सिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं लेकिन क्योंकि उनका मूड डाउन है या उन्होंने कल कुछ देखा होगा घर पे जो
हाँ, हाँ.
उनको अपसेट कर रहा है, तो वो कैसे रिफ्लेक्ट होता है, फिर उनके ऊपर कैसे अफेक्ट होती है उनकी स्टडीज?
Actually, they be very quiet. First of all, when they enter the class, they're very
Yeah.
quiet. So personally, we have to go and talk with them. Okay, what is the reason? What happened yesterday? So you were very happy. Today, what happened suddenly?
Yeah.
So he starts speaking up. That particular child.
So you realize कि वो
Yes, he
चुप
has
ज़्यादा हो
got some
जाती.
problem.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Then I share with them. Okay, then I bring them aside. Then I talk with them. What happened, beta? Is there some problem? Then he speaks up.
And that must be needing so much of you.
Yes.
It's not easy.
Then after
yeah.
that, I bring them out with everyone.
Hmm.
Then we give them certain toys or something so that their mood changes. with them.
Changes. And any particular child who's left a big impression on your mind?
It's not like that. Up till now, though, nothing like that.
Yeah. Just overall, you've been handling
Yes,
this.
yes.
And you know that With Love NGO keeps coming to Epiphany School.
Yes.
And we try our best wherever we can fit in. We try to
Yes.
help over there. So any specific help that your kids have got, or they've attended any workshops with us, or anything like this where you feel some change is happening in the child now?
Till now, to upper KG means seniors.
Yeah.
This pre-primary section have not got any
Correct.
opportunities.
Yeah. The Epiphany School, the preschool section is looking forward for your help. That the kids literally want you to come and teach them some skills, maybe some way of handling their difficult, painful emotions. So if you're listening to me and to ma'am, please get in touch with us so that we can work for the
Yes,
pre-primary
sure,
section. Thank you for
I'll
bringing
be
that
very
up.
grateful for it.
नहीं, we will be very grateful. एक और opportunity मिलेगा.
Yes.
किस तरीके का हेल्प आपको केजी के स्टूडेंट्स को हम दे सकते हैं? ऑफ कोर्स स्टेशनरी, टेक्स्ट बुक्स, ऐसी
Yes,
चीजें तो
yes.
दे ही
You
सकते
can
हैं.
also come once.
Yeah.
You can play with them.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
And
with
what
that
else
only
can
the
we do?
mood can change. Yes, कोई आया था हमारे स्कूल में टीचर.
हाँ.
They can go home and share with them,
Yes.
with their parents.
Yes.
कि somebody came to our class
Yeah.
and we were very happy. They like arts.
They like art.
Yes.
Okay. Organizations there can definitely help with art for the
Sure.
kids.
Yeah, they are very
And
happy.
we can also use art to bring out their emotions.
Yes.
And
yes,
help
yes,
you
yes.
in the
Their
process.
confidence level will come out.
Yeah. Yeah. Great. And बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं,
हाँ.
बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो
हम्म.
बहुत ही अच्छे हालातों में रह रहे हैं और सिर्फ एपिफेनी स्कूल को दूर से देख रहे हैं या कुछ वीडियो देख लिया, कुछ रील देख लिया, पर बहुत फर्क है उनके
हाँ,
जीने
हाँ.
में और हमारे इन बच्चों के जीने में. तो उनके लिए आज आप कुछ मैसेज दे सकते हैं जो उनको मोटिवेट करे कि वो भी आपके स्कूल में आ सकते
हाँ,
हैं.
हाँ, हाँ.
वैसे
Actually, even they should come to our school.
या
And they should come and join with us. Yeah, they should come and join, and in that only the children will cope up with them.
yeah. And students are also welcome.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Anytime,
so even
anytime.
students, young interns, you all are
Yes.
also welcome to come and help the upper KG section of the Epiphany School.
Not only upper KG but full
Yeah,
pre-primary.
pre-primary. So you're talking
Yes.
on behalf of the entire pre-primary
Pre-primary,
section.
yes.
And in fact, they're the cutest to work with. So we
Yes.
should definitely put in our
And
efforts there.
they love to play with you all and all.
Yeah. Oh yes, we remember that. We've had the most amazing time with them.
Yes.
Just having fun. But now let's contribute to giving them some more formal education from
Yes.
our side. And thank you so much, ma'am, for bringing that up.
Yes.
आज हमने पॉडकास्ट पर ही बोल दिया है तो हम
Yes.
होप कर रहे हैं कि बहुत लोग ये देखकर आगे आएंगे और
Yes.
फिर हम आपके स्कूल में और काम कर सकेंगे.
Thank you so
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
As we come to the end of this conversation, we're reminded that change doesn't happen alone. It happens when people choose compassion over convenience and love over indifference. Thank you for being a part of the With Love community and family, for listening, for caring, for believing that Seva, when done with dignity, can truly change lives. This was one voice from our journey of 10 years, and many more stories await. Until next time, keep choosing kindness with love.